Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can style your handmade jewelry pieces in different ways to create new Indo-Western looks. We usually restrict such handmade jewelry pieces and only wear them with saris, but you can actually wear something statement like this with your regular jeans and t-shirt combo and create a really unique look. So in this video I'm going to share all that with you, and also all these jewelry pieces that I'm going to style in this video are from my Instagram store. They are absolutely handmade and hand painted. So if you want, you can check them out. I'll have the link to my Instagram store in the description box. I recently launched my Durga Puja jewelry collection on my stores and I have talked about it in a previous video. I'll link that video in the description box as well. So if you like anything, you can definitely DM me, and that is it. Now let's get started with the video. For the first look, I'm wearing a basic pair of blue jeans along with a black tank top. I am also wearing my black leather jutis. I am just going to layer this floral printed jacket on top. I will just roll up the sleeves a little. You can also wear a denim jacket. Now to make this basic outfit more interesting, I will add my hand painted Kali necklace, and it instantly changes the look. It makes it more interesting. If you do not like traditional outfits, you can also wear such handmade jewelry with your Western pieces to give it an Indian touch. You can wear something like this for the upcoming festivals like Durga Puja and Kali Puja. And this is the finished look. It's simple, effortless, yet looks like you've put in a lot of effort. The next look is very casual and chill. So I've paired my favorite black printed palazzo pants with a plain black t-shirt, and I've tied a knot to give some structure to the t-shirt. I'm also wearing my black leather jutis. So it's a very basic outfit, and to elevate it, I will just add my handmade hibiscus necklace. Since it's such a basic outfit, the necklace will get all the attention. You can also team it up with a statement ring, like here I'm wearing my multicolor statement Afghan ring. Again, if you don't like traditional outfits, you can definitely wear something like this to your Parar Pujo and have a chill day. The next one is another denim look. So here I've paired my high-waisted denim pants with a simple white shirt. I have knotted the shirt from the bottom and tucked it inside. I'm also wearing my black leather jutis here, and I have shamelessly repeated the same footwear throughout the video. Next, I will be wearing my hand painted Kali necklace like a choker here, and this is how it looks. The blue in the necklace is going really well with the white shirt and the blue denims. I will also add a ghungru and mirror statement ring to complete the look. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. For the next look, I'm wearing my high-waisted wide leg denim pants along with this blouse. Yes, this one is a sari blouse. It's a blue floral printed blouse with spaghetti straps. If you want to hide the hooks at the back, you can layer a jacket on top like I'm doing here. So I've paired this indigo jacket on top. This particular blouse is a very versatile piece, and you can definitely wear it like a crop top. I have shared this along with other blouse designs in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll link it above. To add some contrast, I will wear my Durga necklace with a maroon tassel. The necklace is making the outfit so much better. Again, this necklace will make the simple outfit puja appropriate. Finally, I will add my yellow Kutch embroidered bag to complete the look. The yellow in the bag matches the yellow in the necklace, and this is the finished look. For the next look, I am wearing this kalamkari printed dress with the same black jutis. And for accessories, I'm going to add this Ardnarishwar necklace from my store. The necklace has some blue and orange colors, so it matches the bits of blue and orange prints on the dress. I am also wearing a silver nose pin to match the silver details on the necklace. You can definitely wear a statement piece like this one with a simple dress to make it more festive. Next, I am wearing this simple black Angrakha style floor length anarkali. And to make it more festive, I am going to add a lot of jewelry. Starting with this handmade choker. Then I will also wear my hand painted Kali necklace. Since it comes with an adjustable tassel, I have increased its length and I am wearing it like a long necklace here. And the silver details on the Kali necklace matches the silver choker really well. Next, I will wear my ghungru and mirror ring. This is a DIY ring and you can find the video on my channel. I will link it above. I am also wearing a silver nose pin. And I am going to complete this look with these silver jhumkas. So this is how you can mix and match your handmade jewelry pieces with other pieces of junk jewelry and create such interesting looks. For the next outfit, I am wearing my kalamkari printed maxi skirt with a black t-shirt. I have tucked the t-shirt into the skirt. Since the top is so plain, I am going to add my handmade Trinayani necklace. The vibrant colors on the necklace goes really well with the skirt, and the black t-shirt acts like a nice blank canvas for the necklace. I am also wearing my silver nose pin. Next, I will add these silver kara bangles. The necklace doesn't have any gold or silver elements, so you can pair it with either gold or silver, whatever you like. And this is the finished look. The handmade necklaces are adding such a festive touch to the basic outfits. So these were all the different looks that I created. Let me know if you like them and if you will wear something like this. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll have the links to my social media in the description box. For such handmade, hand-painted, unique jewelry pieces, don't forget to check out my Instagram store. It's called the Pom Poms and Tassels store. I'll link that in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.